Alright, now that we're signed into our demo content writing agency, let me tell you how you can set up this credit system and make use of it on your own workspace. First, we'll go ahead and navigate into modules and enable the credit system from here. Once it's enabled, you'll be able to click on settings, navigate into the credit system. The way the credit system works is it allows you to pick a currency that you would like to sell your services in, such as credits, points, hours, or words, and then attach an allocation of these credits to respective services that would grant the user this amount of credits. So in our example here, you can see that we have a few examples for monthly subscriptions as well as a few one-time payments for credits. The first three over here are going to be the subscription ones, where your client would get a fixed amount of words in this example every month. As you can see from the last three services we have set up here, these are one-time purchases that allow the client to top up their existing balance with an XYZ amount of credits. Now let's get into setting these up. This is very simple. If we navigate into services over here, you can see that we've created three different folders. One folder is for the one-time top-ups, one folder is for the recurring subscriptions, and one folder is for the services that your client is going to purchase after they've bought their credits. Let me go ahead and show you an example of what these services look like. If we go ahead and navigate into the one-time services, you'll be able to see that we have this top-up 500 words set at $49. Whenever the client purchases this service for $49, they're going to get an extra 500 words in their balance. It's a very similar concept for these other two, where if they purchase 1,000 words, they'll get 1,000 words, and if they purchase 5,000 words, they'll get 5,000 words added to their balance. If we go back into services and go into the top-up recurring option, you'll be able to see that we've set up these subscriptions to allow the client to pay a fixed amount every month and get a fixed amount of balance. The balance from this does not carry over into the next month based on the settings that we had in our module settings. Now, the way that we have the flow set up for this demo account is we would like the client to go to the sign up page of our workspace, sign up, and then navigate into services and make a purchase. You could alternatively also set up order forms and link them to your website to allow your clients to purchase credits directly from an order form and then get redirected into their dashboard to purchase other types of services with the credits they just purchased. Let me show you an example of the flow that I'm talking about. If we go into our clients table over here and sign in as Elena, you'll be able to see the client's side of the dashboard. Here we've set up different menu items on the left side to redirect to different folders based on their name. If the client wants to do a pay-as-you-go style of thing, they're able to go into top-up one-time payments here and purchase these packages, as you can see. If they would like to do a subscription, they could go into top-up recurring and subscribe to any one of these subscriptions to get a fixed amount of words every month. And then once they've purchased from either of these two folders, they're able to go and spend their word balance and order content over here, where as you can see, things are priced in words. It is also worth noting that we've recently added an onboarding page that you can add for your clients, as you can see here. This is completely customizable and you can add different conditions as well as attach videos into the onboarding page directly. Here we've also set it up to show the instructions of how your client can use this portal. In these instructions, we've specified that the client needs to top up their word balance, then go to order their content from the side menu as you saw earlier, and then fill out an intake form relevant to the order that they're purchasing. Let's go ahead and do an example purchase to show you what it would look like to do this as the client. If we navigate into order content from here and we click on add to cart on 1,000 words item, then check out, you'll see that we already had 1,000 words. Once we've checked out, the 1,000 words are going to be deducted from our balance, and then we're able to go and fill in this intake form that is being displayed. I'm going to go ahead and fill in some dummy data so we can move on. All right, now that we've filled in this intake form, we can go ahead and click on review and then click on start order. As soon as this intake form is submitted, the status of the order is automatically changed to verifying brief. These are custom statuses that we've set up to cater to a content writing agency. You can do this by navigating into your settings, on the admin side of course, going into orders, and creating a list of order statuses as you'd prefer. Once we've received the order on the admin side from the example of earlier, you'll be able to see it directly over here. This is Elena's order right over here, which has been automatically assigned to Lucy as she's supposed to go in and verify the information that was provided by Elena. If we go into the order, you'll be able to see all of the information that we have submitted from earlier in the project data, as well as the tasks that we've set up. Once Lucy's done verifying the information that Elena submitted, she's able to checkbox the verify brief task and then assign it to the writer Patricia. She should also go ahead and unassign herself from the order and move the status to writing, as now the order is in progress. And then as the tasks get completed, team members are able to unassign themselves and assign someone else and change the status as needed. Once the client's order is complete, you're able to move the order into the complete stage and deliver all of the deliverables directly in the order via the chat feature that we have. You can also enable a setting to allow your clients to click on request revision, and if they do that, the order would get automatically placed in revision. And that's pretty much it when it comes to the credit system. It's pretty easy to set up and use, and it allows you a variety of options. If you have any questions regarding how to set up the credit system or any other questions in general, please feel free to reach out to us at support@spp.co, and we'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you so much for taking time to watch this, and I hope you have an awesome day.